Hey everyone, this is Jennifer, and I just wanted to share with you a little change that's happening in the Cocoa Daisy kits and why I am kind of excited about it. So when they got rid of their 12 by 12 kits, they started sending this size paper. So you got 2 of each paper, and of course they're double-sided. Okay, so that's like basically 6 of this size. 3 sets double-sided is 6. Well, now your paper comes folded. Get that lined up. So it's larger. It's like 2 of the others. Actually, it's a little bit larger. 2 of this, only they folded it down the center. So if you like this size paper, that's fine, because you can still cut the bigger size paper right down the crease, and you now have your old size papers. But this is the good thing about the folded papers. They are larger, so if you are like me and use something a little bit bigger, like this standard size dory, you can just line the edge of your dory up with the crease, and it is large enough to cover the entire thing. And obviously, if you liked this paper on the outside, you could just flip it around. Okay, so you're not losing anything by this, because if you like the old size, just trim it and you have your old style papers, old size papers. So this is one of the smaller sizes. I would trim them down just to cover the front of my dory, which obviously I can still do. And I do trim them down just to fit in the cover of my dashboards here. But I think that this month I am gonna use these papers, since they're big enough, and see, I already lost stuff, and cover my dory just like that. So I wanted to share that tip with you. I don't know what you think about the bigger papers or the smaller papers, but I really like how this is super versatile, because you can still cut it, and you have, you know, how you used to have the 2 sizes, or you can leave it as is and use it to cover some of your larger booklets. I hope that helped, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you.